In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a Fxify account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to Fxify.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description for you to check out. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see you have the Fxify and you have Fxify futures where I can trade with futures. But from here, you'll need to get your funded account. And to do that, you simply need to go up here to click login and register. And then from here, you'll need to either sign in with your already existing account, or you can go down here and sign up by a new account. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, last name, email address, re-enter your email, a username, a birthday, country, password, and confirm your password. You'll also down here note that you declare that you have read the terms and conditions. You declare that the details provided are correct and correspond with government issued identification. And down here you also need to register that you only have one registration is allowed per client, meaning that if you have several accounts, there might be a chance of all of those will be terminated at some point. But from here, just click these off and just click sign off. Then from here, you'll need to verify your email address. And then from here, it should look something like this. And over here, you can see you have your menu, you have everything there is to know about the funded. From here, you'll need to buy an account. And to do that, or start the challenge. And to do that, you simply need to go up here to start a new challenge. And then from here, you'll need to choose your account. From here, you can see you can start a new challenge. And you can choose between one-phase assessment, two-phase assessment, three-phase assessment, instant funding, or lightning assessment. So if you click on one of these, you'll see your account balance. And you can see Fxify offers 5K, 10K, 15K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 200K, and even 400K for only $2,950. From here, you'll need to click on one of these and then select your platform that you want to trade with. So you can either trade with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, or TradingView. And as you can see down here, you also need a price feed where you can either choose raw spread, which is best for active traders, or all in, which is commission free, which is best for position traders. From here, you can also add in add-ons if you want to do that, either increase profit split, bi-weekly payouts, performance protecting. Down here, you'll also need to add in your billing address, like your address, city, postcode, phone number, etc., etc., etc. From here, you'll need to add in a discount code if you want to do that, and an affiliate code if you have that. I'll put a link to one of those down in the description for you to check out to get a little bit of off for these $200 here for a $25,000 account. From here, you'll need to click I declare that I read and agree with terms and conditions and proceed with payment. From here, you'll see a review your order, and the last stage out here is where you'll want to add in your credit card details and then pay for your challenge. From here, you can start your challenge on Fxify and hopefully complete it and get your funded account. And that's how you do it. I wish you good luck with your challenge and happy trading.